Guys, welcome back. It's another day. Rubbing cap again. One more day again of rubbing the cap. Almost finished it up. This is the last. Almost the last. When it's going to spray. The front of this going to spray. Watch me now, guys. Watch good and clean. How you rub a cap properly. Get your rag, get your sandpaper. For those who don't know, you don't always use sandpaper without the rubbing block. But me, it's kind of work. Me know if use it without with the sandpaper. So watch me now. Dip it wet. Dip it first. You're wet. Rub. Watch the tree. Side to side, here. Rub side to side. Rub. Rub properly. We don't do unfinished work. We do good work. So you watch me when I do this. You don't do unfinished work, so watch me, guys. Rub it properly, go around the seams, in everywhere you rub. Only place I have to rub, I doorknob. So make sure you take out everything and be clean. One thing, because some people when they rub things, they not really look what they do. They don't do it good. And sometimes they don't be aware what they're doing. So guys, just follow, subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe. Keep it. Everything. All persons who are thinking about helping. Well, just helping my father for 1 day, or 1 week, or more than a week. Don't know if you guys can hear me. Sorry, my phone just fell. You can see me now? Yeah, good. So, that's helping my father another day. So, this cabin is still spray, so I am the preparer man. So, I'm preparing it for him. So, just watch and see. Just watch, like, subscribe. Just watch this place. Rub in the seams properly. Everywhere you rub thoroughly. Don't do unfinished work. Okay. Dip again if your rag gets dry. Rub. Just watch it free. Alright guys. Keep it safe. Keep it always. But like in the comments and tell me what you guys thinking about to do for the summer. Well, summer almost done. So those who got to do that, just tell me what you guys planning to do in the comments. It everything. Do that, do this. When you finish, you rub, you feel, you rub and rub and rub. But you don't just rub and rub and rub. You rub, you feel, you rub and you feel. But sometimes you will dig, rub and rub and rub till you go back down in the hole. You go right back in the hole. So you just rub and rub and rub. So yep, God is helping me. You can't do nothing else without God. So, I've got to do this. going down, down, down. We're going down, down, down. See it? See that now? Finish. See how quick that was? Then you get your rub, you wring it out, wring. Because if you don't wring it, there will always be white marks. You wring, wipe, wring, and you wipe it off. Because if you don't wipe, there will be white marks. Rub it properly too. See it? Rub it. Rub it already. I got started late. I started late. I started the video too late, guys. See? You see it here when you're wiping. See there? Nothing when you're wiping. See? Wipe properly. See? Look, finish now. What do you see? Clean. Look, wipe off. Wipe it. Wipe it clean. If you don't wipe it clean, it's gonna be dirty work. And we don't want a dirty work. I'm gonna wipe out inside here. Wipe out here. And see that? Look how quick that was. And look, for those who are wondering where am I? This is Scully's Auto Parts and Wrecking Service. You want no crane, you want no wrecker, you want no car to move, you want no crane work, just call 393-1415. 876-393-1415. Want parts? Call 393-1415. Seats, anything you want. Engine, anything you want. Tires, anything you want. Just call 393-1415. Here's the cab and I'm finished now. See, I rubbed some of it yesterday, but I didn't get to catch that because I was kind of in a hurry. See it there? I was kind of in a hurry yesterday, so I never got to finish it. So I just finished it. See it? Finish. Bye guys. Like, subscribe. Peace out.